This is a video introducing the key features of OLIXIS Smoothie Blender, Personal Blenders. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features. Complete Personal Blender Set with 3 portable cups. OLIXIS Personal Blender includes 17, 24, and 34 ounces BPA-Free cups, perfect as a single-serve blender for smoothies. The compact mini blender operates at high speed for quick blending. All cups and lids are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and storage. High-performance motor for demanding tasks. Experience the power of this 800-watt smoothie blender, engineered for demanding kitchen tasks. For optimal motor care, we recommend that operate for up to 2 minutes, then allow a 1-minute rest before continuing. This practice helps this durable kitchen blender maintain peak performance when processing various ingredients. Advanced Safety Lock System. OLIXIS's blender features a secure locking mechanism that prevents accidental operation. The intelligent safety system ensures the blender only works when properly assembled. Removable stainless steel blades are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning after making smoothies. Simple one-touch operation and multiple functions. Operating this countertop blender is effortless with press and twist activation. The Personal Blender system allows direct mixing in cups. Perfect as a milk smoothie maker, it quickly prepares various beverages with minimal cleanup. Technical specifications and reliable performance. This 120-volt, 60 Hz kitchen blender delivers efficient power for all your blending needs. With optimized operation cycles, this food blender ensures consistent results for smoothies, sauces, and milk making. OLIXIS guarantees quality performance. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.